All right, so assuming you guys have seen Mike the Tech's workaround to getting Steam to run on Mac and to play games on it, you may have noticed recently that sometimes when you were to download a game on Steam, it would usually freeze while downloading instead of finishing the download. Actually, I'm going to use Among Us as an example because Geometry Dash is available on Mac. So all right. Well, as you guys know, if you were to try download it, it would stop somewhere, and I managed to find a way to go around it. Someone on Mike the Tech's video posted their own solution to running Windows games by downloading the app by allowing the Mac to download Steam games using, downloading Windows Steam games using the console version of Steam. And from there, he opens the exe using whisky, but as you know, that doesn't work. You need the rest of the files, and it will not, when you try open the game, it will either crash or it won't open properly. So what I would do instead is you go on terminal, paste in this command. Let's take that away. Paste in that command to open the Steam console. Now, in order to know if you've done it correctly or not, you should be able to see this console area. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this code in. I will put these in the description so you guys can just paste it in. And if it gives you that result, then it works perfectly fine. And then the next thing you do is app install and then the app ID of what you're trying to download. To find that, you use this site, which I'll link down below as well. So in my case, it's Among Us. All right. And here's the ID. So we're gonna just paste that into Steam. That's the wrong Steam. So we're just gonna paste the ID of my game, which we found here, on Steam, and just start installing. Now, as you see here, Among Us has downloaded, but I cannot run it since I am on Mac. It's only available for Windows. Next thing you want to do is you want to find the files that it downloaded. So you have to go on library. In order to find it, you should press option, I believe. Option, and then it'll just pop up here. I have it pinned here so I can get it instantly. We go on application support. You find Steam, which is right here. You go on Steam. You go to Steam apps. You go to common. And there we have our files right here. Now the guy who found the solution, this workaround, said that you should open it with whisky. Now the guy who found this solution said that you could just simply open it using whisky, but that doesn't work, it just crashes. So in order to actually run it, you're gonna have to have all the files and the Windows Steam version. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna open this C drive for this Steam. You're gonna go program files. You're also gonna go common files. You're gonna go Steam, find Steam apps, commons, and then you just drag in the Among Us right here. You plug that right in. And after that, you have to make sure you also plug in the app manifest regarding the app. So all you have to find is the right ID number and then plug that in. So in our case, what is Among Us ID? Yeah, 945360. We have to find 945360. It's right here. Now you just go back and just drag that into Steam apps. Let's put it there. And there. Now it should be loaded onto the Windows Steam. After resetting Steam, you can go check your library. And let's see. Among Us is right there now. And you play it and it'll function properly. This is what I've done with Phasmophobia and it works perfectly. And yep, that's it.